Hey guys, it's Lee here from onlinemoneydairy.blogspot.ca, otherwise known as Work at Home Gal if you want to search me online. This is the second part of the video for the Superstore click and collect, just to show you guys kind of the ordering page and give you an idea and whatnot. So, first off, I showed you this in the last video, but we're looking at it again. If you did get a Superstore flyer, and if the personal shopping click and collect is available in your area, then you'll probably see something like this that will show you free pickup. You can use the code FREEMONTH and you won't get charged for pickup. And if you sign up and make a MasterPass account and pay with MasterPass, you'll get $20 off your grocery order. So this is definitely some reasons to try this service. You can't go wrong getting $20 off and not paying the pickup fee. That's pretty cool too. First off, we'll look at MasterPass for a minute, masterpass.com. I've never used this site until now, and honestly, the only reason why I made my MasterPass account was to get the $20 off of my grocery order. As far as I can tell, it's a digital wallet, basically, and I kind of look at it as the online version of Tap, and I say this because when you sign up, you put in your MasterCard, whatever MasterCard you're using, you put in your number, you put in your address, so you can use this on other sites for shopping and not have to enter the information again. Now, I'm not a fan, really, of saving that personal information on sites like this. However, it gave me $20 off my groceries, so I'm not going to complain about it. So let's just take a quick look at the store here. So let's say you're using the service for the first time. Like, I have my location already set, but you can search for your location or whatever store you want to go to and set it. And now this is showing live for my store. So today's Friday. I already gone and got my groceries earlier, between 11 and 1. So these time slots, if you're wondering what they mean, this is when you're going to pick up your groceries. So if you chose 9 to 11, that's when you would go pick up your groceries, sometime between 9 and 11, 11 to 1, that's the next slot, and so on. As you can see, it looks like they've been busy today, like there's some slots available for the last one. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose tomorrow, Saturday. We will choose tomorrow between 1 and 3. And there's a pickup fee of $5, as you can see there. However, if you use your free month code, you shouldn't get charged for that. So we have our slot selected, and there's a couple things already in the basket. So you can search for products. There's a search bar over here, and you can also use this to have a look. So we'll go into the bakery for a second. We'll see what we got here. We have fresh breads, rolls, cakes, sweets, and I just clicked on it, so it's going to load for me. So we'll just give it a moment and see what it loads up. Okay, so we got most of bakery loaded up here. So right now we're looking at fresh breads. You can see there's 54 items. Fresh rolls, we have 38. The cakes, there's 68. Sweets, 113. And then, of course, the packaged breads. So we have the old milk whole wheat bread, which I did already buy today, but we'll go ahead and we'll add that to cart. And we will add 2. So if you guys are looking up here at my little cart, this should change along with the price. So $23.91, and then that's showing 14 items. Next, we're going to try and search an item. So in the flyer this week, soup is on sale. Let me get to the front page here. The Campbell soup for 49 cents. So I'm not going to type all that in. I'm just going to do soup. I know that is vague for the search result, so it's probably going to give me all the soups, but that's okay, because it'll show us other deals as well. See, 533 items, even though we're only looking for the soup that's on sale. Here it is. So vegetable soup, 49 cents, just like the deal. And I also, on my Optimum, PC, Optimum card, I can get points for getting soup, so that's showing up as well. So I'm not going to add any more to the cart, because I already have 6 of these in cart of the tomato. So that's pretty cool. So, I'm trying to think of what else to add for this example. Let's do, what? Cat food and see what we get. So we'll bring that up. Okay, so I did search wet cat food and only got 4 results. I know there's way more than that, so this time I just did cat food. We got 253 results. And I'm looking for a certain one, so to make this a little easier, we're gonna actually click price low to high, and it's going to shuffle this to low at the top, and then high will be at the very end. So as you can see, it brings up the no-name cat food, which I've personally never given my pets, so I don't know what that's like. And then the Friska cans, what else do we have here? You can, then if you, there's more, so we can hit load more, and then we're going to get more to load up. Here we go. These are the ones that I buy him, but they're usually in a pack, and I'm not seeing the package, so that's interesting. Let's load some more. And then our cat treats, of course. We cannot forget about the kitty treats. Oh, cat toys. We're going to hit load more again. Okay, it should be getting close to, here they are. These are the ones that I usually get my cat. He really likes these, and I like that it's 2 portion-sized ones, so we'll go ahead and we'll add that to the cart. Now we're going to see this change to probably the 33.40. And now we're going to go to checkout for you guys can see what the checkout looks like. Here's something important to watch when you get to the end. It does advise you that you can edit items in this cart until 11:59 p.m. tonight. Today's Friday the 7th. In my case, it would be showing this because my pickup isn't until tomorrow between 1 and 3, so there's definitely nothing wrong with that. Now, this is cool too. You can actually leave notes for the personal shopper, and you can uncheck this if you do not want substitutions. So if there's no Macintosh apples, we'll put that there for no substitutions. And we'll leave a little note for the personal shopper. Chicken noodle if no, tomato soup. Save. And I mean, if you want, I suppose you can get right down to the nitty gritty and leave very detailed notes. I mean, that's all I'm going to put. Now, if you look over here, and this is where it gets cool too, it shows my pickup location, the pickup time, and then how long it's reserved until. Total items 15, the subtotal, the pickup fee, the tax, estimated total, and then it's going to show PC points earned. Now, I'm not actually doing a real order right now. This was just to show you guys how it looks. And let me get this out of the window here. Promotions can be added before you place your order. Yeah, I don't want to click checkout again because I can't remember if it charges my credit card after that. But on the next page is where I would enter my free month that I showed you guys over here. Here it is, free month, and then you'd that $5 pickup charge would be removed. Let's see what the pickup fee says. All prices, PC point savings fees are estimated and subject to change. In my case, on my first grocery order that I did today, my estimated amount that was showing in here actually went down because one of the items I wanted wasn't available, which definitely is okay. There's nothing wrong with that. So let's say we're done the process. We hit checkout. We add free month. When you're done, you'll get an email like so. And this is letting us know they've received the order. Then it gives you an itemized thing showing the items you ordered and the estimated amount and so on. The second email that you'll receive from them is when your order is ready to be picked up. And this is the cool part too. It lets you know if there were any substitutions done. So in my case, this dish soap wasn't available, so I got the purple one, which definitely is okay. then I got there, I called, like, this is the store number, so you have to, if I remember right, for me it was option 6, but listen to your options, they're probably different per store. It was option 6 for me. I got to talk to a really nice, girl that picked up, and she's the one that bought my stuff out. She was very friendly, we just talked about the weather, and I saved $20 and didn't have to go into the store, so I just want to show you guys this next part because it's a great way to save time, really, because then you're not spending the time grocery shopping. The items, like stuff you see in store, it's all there, and like I said, you can leave the little notes for your shopper too. And for the produce section, you can leave notes too. Like in my case with the lettuce, please, no bad lettuce. You know what I mean? And then I ended up getting really good lettuce out of it. However, the personal shoppers, they're, think about it this way. They're not going to want complaints coming back on their store or on them. So they're going to pick good produce. I think in all cases, they will pick good produce. And if it's a really good personal shopper, they may even call you if a certain produce is not available. But, that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I will link my blog and Twitter down below if you want to follow me. Have a nice day.